Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the upload failed error in Google Drive on Windows. First, try changing the way you upload your file. If you are dragging and dropping the file or folder into Drive and it fails, use a different method. Open Drive, click on New, then choose File Upload or Folder Upload and select your file manually. If you are already using the New button method, then try dragging and dropping the file into the Drive window instead. Sometimes one method works better than the other. Next, check your storage space. Open Drive and look at the storage bar on the left side. If your storage is full, you will not be able to upload new files. Delete unwanted files and empty the trash to free up space. Also, check the file name. Remove special characters like colon, question mark, less than, greater than, or anything like that. Rename the file using only letters, numbers, dashes, or underscores. Then try uploading again. If the problem continues, use the web version. Open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Upload the file directly there. This can help if the desktop app is causing the issue. Finally, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software. Sometimes they block the connection. Turn them off for a short time, test the upload, and then turn them back on. Thanks for watching.